Hello. Today we're going to find out how to create these drop-down menus in Kumu. These allow us to filter all the data on the map quickly so we can just focus in on certain things. So say all the people in the survey we sent them that chose that they were interested in arts and culture and humanities, we can click that and just those people will show up, and this allows us to focus where our interest lies, or the people who are going to be using your map where their interest lies quickly so they can find their way into the map and find what's interesting to them. So if we right click with our mouse, we hit refresh and everything comes back. So to remind us, say, where this issue comes from or the sector or the segment, we have to go back to some app and see how we designed our survey. So let's do that. So here we are in some app. I go to edit and we're going to take a look at our survey form. So here's our survey that I sent out to people, and it has all these questions we asked them to fill out. And you notice that each question has a title. Your specific area of focus, skills you offer, skills you need, etc. Now we're going to go to the data. Once we collect everything, we download the data. And so let's see what the CSV file looks like that has all the data. So here we are, and here are those same titles: segment, sector, and issues. Select 3. What were the titles in the survey are now the column headers in the CSV file. Now we need to go back to Kumu. We'll go to these, it's called a hamburger. Click on that and we go to field. So now in the field, the survey titles are all here. Element types, we have these issues, select 3. In the survey they were called the survey titles. In the CSV file they were just called the headers of the columns, and in Kumu they call them field names. So that's the back end, Kumu. So here is, say, the issues drop down. You see we have that unique list of things we ask people to fill out. Click on this, and then here, right here, is what makes those drop downs. This third one, you see we got 1, 2, 3, we got 1, we got 2, and we got 3. And the third one, what we're doing is we're targeting the element. So these are elements and these lines are the connections. So we're targeting the element, and we're by that the name of the survey question, right, which is issues select 3. So we are targeting the element by that one column of data, or the survey question that we asked about. We want it to look like a drop down. This is a drop down, of course. And the padding here is just like we're just creating a little bit of extra space around this so it doesn't look so cramped. And the summary is what we're calling this. The title is called issues select 3. We just want something, simple. So the summary is the title that goes on the drop down. And then the default is we want to show all of these. All the choices, we want to show them all here in the drop down. So that's how we create a filter. The group here is that we've grouped 3 of them together. So we just don't want them separated and looking bad. We want a nice clean look here, and you do that by grouping them. And then we give them a font size right here. We could make that smaller if we wanted to, or larger. And this background right here, color is this little gray kind of here, just to help it stand out just slightly. And the color here is the color of the font. You could make that red or any color you want. And then here you see it's like right in the middle of the canvas. We've positioned it. So it's at the top, and we center it. But you don't have to put center, you just put top, and it automatically puts it in the center. Here you can see we have one where we're filtering on the connection type. And here we put bottom, and we put right, and it puts it to the bottom right. If we want it bottom center, we would just put bottom. If we want it to the bottom left, we would put bottom left. So that's our video on filters.